Namaskar and welcome to the course Linux Fundamentals. This course has been designed after training several students and taking feedback from them. I am Mahavir Advaya, the course instructor for this course. I have been into teaching and training several students since past 13 years. Presently, I am working as assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and IT at Ram Narayan Ria Autonomous College, Mumbai, India. I have been into teaching and training several students in various domains like programming languages, web development technologies, operating system, database management system, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, cloud computing, and many more. In this course, you will learn the basics of Linux. After completing this course, you will be able to install Linux on yourself and start using Linux for your day-to-day use. This course introduces you to the Linux operating system, the architecture of Linux, basic utilities available in Linux, and the basic file handling commands that are required to use Linux. Students pursuing their graduation in the field of computer science and IT, engineering, high school students, and anybody who wants to learn Linux can join this course, can enroll for this course. So please go through the course description and enroll for this course. Hope to see you soon in the class. Thank you.